Mic. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is finally the last part of the Black Friday sale. Although I have to let you know, there is this one shrug that I have not received from Savannah yet. I don't want to make this video on 15th of December and then post it like after 3-4 days. So it's already gonna be Christmas and Black Friday is long gone. So no, makes no sense. So today I'm gonna do it without that one piece. Okay, so the first product from the Black Friday sale is this one. I know it looks like a basic sweatshirt, which it is, I know, but this is so comfortable. It is from H&M and I got it for I think 1100 rupees. It's very soft, it's very comfortable. The length is so good. There is nothing else I can say more. I love the length of this sweatshirt. You can wear as it is while filming also. I can wear my shorts and just film. And if I want to go outside, I can wear it with any kind of pants, track pants, joggers, whatever I want. I can wear it and it will look still good. The next one from H&M. I did not actually plan on buying this. I just went to the store. This was from online, but this was from store. I went to the store and I saw this one. I gave this to the billing counter. And the guy said, "Ki you don't have to pay 1900, ma'am. It's your lucky day. You get it for I think 1000." I'm like, इस पे भी sale था. Actually, there was sale going on on the entire store. But since there was no tag here, the black tag, I thought कि ये मुझे fresh piece ही मिला है. But only one size was there. It is large and it's so oversized. I love it. Again, the length is perfect. It's not as long as the black one, but it's still good enough. Since I'm showing H&M, so let me show this one bag. I did not again plan on buying this. It's a gift, but this one also was for 600 rupees, and after discount and after the 300 rupees का जो offer था मेरे पास, after that I got it for only 600. It was gifted, so it might look very patla, but actually you have a lot of space and you can put a lot of items. I did make a short video on what's in my bag wala. You can check it out in my short section. Now let's move on to something that I don't like as much as the other ones. This is the shirt that I got. I know, why did I get a half sleeve shirt? I will attach the video again. It is a good shirt. It's perfect for summers. ठीक है, मतलब I wouldn't say that I love the quality. The embroidery part is very beautiful. I have to mention that. Overall, it's like a 7.5 out of 10. So it's good. So I got this for free. This says Passenger Princess. I love the sleeves. ये ना बहुत dramatic sleeves है. Sometimes you just want these kind of patla shirt type, t-shirt type material. So this is good for if you are going just इधर उधर, मतलब घर से बाहर अगर थोड़ी देर के लिए you are going. And I feed my dogs, so मतलब stray dogs, so this is gonna be the perfect outfit for that. Abhi I only have two products. One is this bag, जो is Longchamp का dupe है. I don't buy, okay, so I don't buy dupe products like that. I don't go for dupe products ऐसे करके. This is much different from the Longchamp one because Longchamp does not have any kind of sling attached to it. For that brand, you have to buy a sling separately and then attach it from here. It's a very weird thing, but you have to do that. But इसका ना सवाना में सेल चल रहा था and this costed me around 600 rupees and I needed it. I was like, कि अभी see, I am not really a mini bag person, but this fits so many things. I will make a what's in my bag video with this one because it's so cute. And the color combination is amazing. Black के साथ brown obviously, and then gold touch is beautiful. It's mini but it's spacious, so इधर उधर के लिए it's really nice. Next, I have this cardigan from Savannah. This is the main game because this is so soft and so nice, cozy, warm. I just love it. It's not, I won't say that इसको पहनने के बाद बहुत गर्मी लगेगा. It's not like that. But December की end time थोड़ा ठंडा आता है कोलकाता में. So I am religiously gonna wear this because I have to use this. I can't wait for Darjeeling ka tour. I don't know if I'll go to Darjeeling any soon, but yeah, this is nice. Okay, last thing that I got, not on sale, but since I got this during this time, like the last video I said, I mentioned कि थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा items होता है जो मैं ले लेती हूँ, तो this is also one of them. I wanted a sleek wallet. I don't like those jumbo big wallets. ऐसे bag में ना वो jumbo wallet, अगर if you put that jumbo wallet inside, then you won't be able to take your other products. And since I carry a lot of products with me, like tissue paper, sanitizer, lip balms, other products, perfume, etc etc, so मेरे को ना एक ऐसा sleek wallet चाहिए था. This is very sleek. You have a coin compartment and you have this chain compartment for your cash, and I love cash. I'm a cash girly, what can I say. Anyway, so that's all for the haul. That's it. That's done. We are done with the Black Friday haul. If you like the video, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit that bell button as well. Yes, so you don't miss any single videos from me. And that's it. Take care. Bye. Tata. I'll see you on my next video.